Welcome to my vlog. I'm here in our tiny balcony. I'm just checking the weather if it's hot. Very hot already. I'm only here for how many? 2 minutes, but my hair is wet already for perspiring. Because even though it's not windy, the wind is like hot down and hot up. It's like inside the oven. Like you are inside the oven and you gonna cook you. There is fire up and down. Anyway, because it's summer here, that's why. But the aircon inside the house, it's cold. It's 18 degrees. The aircon, but outside is 40 something degrees. Anyway, guys, happy Wednesday, everyone. I hope our day be filled with love, joy, peace, happiness, compassion, and unity to each other. The love and peace of God be with us all. Thank you very much. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion, and of course, don't forget to share, subscribe. It's a middle of the month and middle of the week. Bye-bye, guys. See you next time. Bye. I love you all and I wish you all bye. Bye-bye, everyone.